First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the phone transfer page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare phone transfer installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer files from iPhone to Vivo, double-click the icon to launch it. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Files on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Here, you need to unlock your iPhone to let the software scan text messages on your iPhone. After successfully connecting, link your Vivo phone to the same computer via USB. Make sure USB debugging on your phone is enabled. If prompted, please click Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. This step may be different depending on your phone. Once connected successfully, you will see Connected under them. Click Start Copy to begin the transfer. Set iReaShare Android Manager as your default SMS app on your phone to transfer text messages. Files including books, music, videos, and photos will be transferred from your iPhone to your Vivo phone. It will take some time, please be patient. Once the data transfer is finished, set your default SMS app back on your phone's pop-up window, then click OK.